To me, life is just the process of solving the problem at whatever age. But if you reflect back, you may see certain tendency or point of reference that we can build upon so that our learning continues, hopefully wiser and wiser and more compassionate. Every little thing, it's like a warrior fighting, or maybe relaxed and then suddenly something happened. Then how do you respond? Life is like that. The new technology, political scenes, violence, family relationship, it can come from any direction, but something fundamental we can still learn to relate to any of those situations.